don't live in the West, they tell me. You want to experience the holidays the right way, they tell me. The holidays are better with snow, they tell me. Well, we're in Sedona and here comes the snow. And loving it. Right, Danica? Yeah, we love the snow in Arizona. Wow, these are huge. Celebrating Christmas in Sedona. It's Christmas Eve. We have our own little room here with our tree.
Dad, I'm trying to go south.
You better hurry up. Bye.
Mom.
It's gonna stop snowing. Hurry up. Hey, Danica, you gonna move? Hi. You can come down. Come down. Ooh, it's cold. Oh my God, they're getting bigger. I think it's gonna start sticking. I say about 2 inches of snow. Yeah, it's gonna start. Yeah. What if I just leave you here? I think you're gonna get snowed up and you're gonna be a little snowman. You're gonna turn into a little snowman. You can open your mouth. Yeah, you could catch one in your mouth. Like this, Danica. Look. Ah. Ah. Okay, my phone is getting covered by snow now. Oh, yay. So cold. What do we got down here? Oh, we got a little fountain. Well, Danica, I know you're too small to know this, but snow on Christmas Eve is very rare. Whoa, who's Devin? Look at all the snow.
Yeah.
Me and Danica tried to catch one in our mouth. Like this. Yeah, good job, buddy.
There.
Yeah, yucky. See, Devin, you don't have to be in the East Coast to get some snow. Yeah, you can have snow right here at home.
No.
Oh boy, you're getting covered. You have snow on your head.
Yeah.
No, up here. See?
You get
It's in your nose. Danica! Okay, you can eat the snow, I guess. Alright, we'll see how it is tonight. Say bye-bye.